Yo, what's going on, guys? Bad Vibes Server Collection back at it again with another unwrapping video. Today's a very special video because it is the start of me being able to use both my hands. I went ahead and purchased a thingamabob so I can put you guys my point of view or whatever. So I don't got to give you guys the blackness anymore. If you guys have seen my previous videos at all, you would know that I would always put you guys down and then I would actually open and whatnot. But now, finally, I invested in something that was pretty much needed. But yeah, without further ado, one more thing I want to say about this is, man, I had to pay postage on this. This guy shipped it in the wrong envelope with the wrong with the right label but with the wrong envelope. Therefore, I had to pay the difference. It was only like $5, but still, it's kind of stupid. It was more or less stupid because I had to go to the post office and wait like 30 minutes to an hour for basically this. And then lastly, I do want to say, I feel like there's a shirt in here or something, because I got a 17 hat in here. Like, I can feel the hat curved bill right here, but I feel like there's a shirt of some sort in here, so we're gonna see what the heck that might be. Yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, you guys don't gotta see darkness no more. It's a true unwrapping video. Let me know what you guys think. I hope it's a good video. I want to look back on it, see if it's stable. I'm just worried about shakiness. We'll see. Okay, so he just bubble wrapped the crap out of it. Okay, it seems just like the hat. Yeah, it's just that, nothing else in there. Thought there was gonna be a hat or a shirt, but it's just the bubble wrap. Makes sense. So let's go ahead. Way over, this was not necessary. Bubble wrap and the bubble mailer or whatever. This is a little bit overkill. Yes, man. We got tape, so that's kind of annoying. Alright. And there it is. The 17 hat with the green piece of crap on it. Yeah, there it is. 17. Some pre-distressing, as you guys can tell. Got the buckle on the back. So this guy had a big head, if this is the the length that he was rocking with. We got XXX right there, full embroidery. Pretty cool. As far as info, I'm pretty sure this dropped in after he died in 2019, I think this dropped 2019 with the 17 hoodie and whatnot. And here's the bottom. No official tags, just like a made in China tag. Not too shabby. And then there's this. But yeah, pretty cool. Very nice. I don't have this, so this is going to be a nice addition to the hat collection. Overall, pretty satisfied. Besides having to pay more for his mistake, but can't complain. Actually, I can't complain. But yeah, fire. Embroidery, pretty sick. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else I really want to talk about. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Hope you all have an amazing day. This is BVF Collection. Bad Vibes Server Collection. You already know. Signing off. Bye.